without stressing yourself. It is so easy these days. Okay, just start something today and believe me, you will be making that money. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be talking about how to make cool cash, money, owo, kudi, ego this 2020 using just your smartphone. It sounds so easy, right? Yes, it is easy and practicable. All you have to do is watch this video till the very end, and believe me, it is a done deal. Welcome back guys. Before I start the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, subscribe, click on the subscribe button down below and turn the notification bell button so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get started. 1. It is true selling of skills. Selling of skills. For instance, you are very good at making a pink lip balm, and all you have to do is create social media platforms where you will be able to advertise to people what you are very good at. For instance, you create a Facebook page and a WhatsApp page, and you tell people you're very good at making this particular product, and if they want to learn how to make that particular product, they can join your WhatsApp link that is already on that Facebook. They can join the WhatsApp group in order to know more about that product. And on getting to the WhatsApp group, you teach them the basics of the pink lip balm production. You teach them some things they need to know about the pink lip balm production, and you will tell them there will be a master class in order to get the full details on how to make that product. And the master class will be going for 500 naira each. And believe me, if 10 people join your WhatsApp group, definitely 6 people will pay the 500 naira. And 500 naira in 6 places, that is 3,000 naira without stressing yourself, just using your smartphone and your social media platform. It's so easy and it's so simple. Number 2, it is true selling ideas, selling of info products. That is, you are very good at making a particular thing, and you want to share that information to people. You want to let people know how to make that particular product. All you have to do is to create an ebook. You create an ebook on how to make that product. You create a social media platform and tell people about this particular product, how they can know how to do this particular product just by purchasing your ebook. And you leave the link on that social media platform how they can get your ebook, and believe me, people will buy that ebook, and you will be able to sell the ebook just by using your smartphone and your social media platform. You've been able to make money just by selling ideas that you already know. Just by selling ideas that is already in your head, you will be able to make money. Number 3, it is true affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that is trending these days. Believe me, people are engaging in affiliate marketing and they are making the cash, they are making the dough out of it. This is how it works. You look for an online store, for instance, Amazon online store. You sign in to be their affiliate. You sign in to be an affiliate, and you will advertise their products using a particular code that will be given to you. You sign in to be their affiliate. They will be given a link, you will be given a code, and you will take a picture of that product on their store, on their online store, and you will upload it to your own social media platform, advertising it using your particular code. And anytime they click on that particular code to buy that product, you will be given a commission. It sounds so easy. Sign in with an online store to be an affiliate. You'll be given a code on being an affiliate with them. You use that code to advertise products on your own social media platform, and if they click on that code to buy that product, you will be given a particular commission on the product they purchase. It's so simple and it's so easy. Number 4, it is through e-commerce. That is, you sell using your internet, you sell using your social media platform. Electronic commerce, it's something that is trending these days. You don't have to have this big shop, you don't have to have this big company before you sell your product. All you have to do is have social media platforms, advertise your product on it, advertise. Being consistent with your advertisement, it will draw people to you and they will come to purchase your product through that social media platform. You don't have to see your customer before you sell to them. It is e-commerce. You just have to transact using your smartphone. Just transaction online and you get your money. They buy the goods and you get your money. It's as simple as that. Number 5, it is through YouTube channel. It sounds huge, right? But it is not huge. Start your YouTube channel today and believe me, you will make money out of it. You don't need this big gear, you don't need camera, you don't need tripod stand, you don't need lighting before you can start your YouTube channel. For instance, I'm recording this video using my selfie stick and my smartphone. You can as well do that and believe me, you will make your money out of it. You are very good at cooking, you are very good at giving advice, you are very good at giving us gists. You can do this on your YouTube channel and make money out of it. It's so simple. Social media is everywhere. Everyone is with his or her phone 24/7. You can make money out of this. Don't dull yourself. And if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below. Turn the notification bell button on so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Without stressing yourself, it is so easy these days, okay? Just start something today and believe me, you will be making that money. Start something today, believe me, it will be coming in. The money might not be much for now, but believe me, as time goes on, you'll be making a larger amount of money. So thank you for watching this video and I'm very sure I'll be seeing you in my next video.